So you're that businessman that is trying to look at getting compliant in terms of taxes and how you do raise your invoices for your clients. So today we are going to look at eTIMS. eTIMS. I'm sure you have come across that when you are the person you supplied requested you to provide an eTIMS invoice before they could pay you. So what is eTIMS? eTIMS is a new introduction by KRA whereby you're supposed to make invoices using their system. So eTIMS, just a brief history about how eTIMS came into. Previously, businessmen and business people were doing their receiptings and invoicing na risiti ya mkono. So you have the cash sale receipt book. Then we had the teams, ETR gadgets. Unakumbuka ukienda kwa hardware and they were doing that ka ETR kalikuwa kanatoka kadogo. So that was ETR and then Teams. But now with eTIMS, this is electronic tax invoicing management system. This is now KRA giving you their system. This system is free. You can go to etims.kra.go.ke and sign up. So what are the solutions that KRA has provided in terms of eTIMS? You can invoice through eCitizen. So you can log into your eCitizen account and go to KRA services. You'll find eTIMS there. You activate so that you're able to do your invoices the right way, the right physical invoice. There's also a solution number 2, whereby you can have a mobile application. You've seen these things that are looking like PDQs. So these are mobile application installed on that gadget. So when you go to a restaurant, if you go to a petrol station, you find those gadgets. So that is a eTIMS gadget. Then we have desktop option, whereby you install that software within your computer and use it as a point of sale when you're doing your invoices. So when you're using eTIMS, you're complying with KRA. So eTIMS, as you issue these eTIMS, there are unique features that eTIMS receipts have. One, kuna QR code. So if you check at an invoice, hata hiyo yenye umetoka super, if you just walk to a supermarket and purchase something, whatever they're giving you is eTIMS receipt or invoice. It has a QR code, then it has a serial number. And what is very unique with these receipts, the moment an invoice is done, data is actually auto-sent to KRA system. So KRA is aware that you're actually earning. So how do you know that you've gotten an eTIMS invoice as a compliant taxpayer, as a client who has been given an invoice and you need to pay? So eTIMS invoices has a QR code. If you scan that QR code, it is going to open up on KRA website. So you get the details of how much you paid, who is this supplier who is selling to you, and what you should actually do that most people don't do. Give them your KRA PIN so that as they're doing their invoice, they capture your PIN so that that expense you've paid becomes a tax deductible when you're doing your tax returns or tax accounting. So just a recap, if you're a business and you've not signed up for eTIMS, you are not compliant. Stop doing handwritten invoices. Sign up on eTIMS, it's free. When you sign up on eTIMS and you invoice, you are actually telling KRA you are in the business of whatever you do, because data is actually transmitted direct to KRA servers. Hii ni system ya KRA wamekupatia for free for you to do your invoicing. Why should you sign up? One, compliance. Remember, kuna business huwezi fanya kama hauna eTIMS, because these people are not going to pay you as long as you don't give them eTIMS invoices. How do you sign up? Go to etims.kra.go.ke, sign up. If you are an individual, you can even sign up from your eCitizen account.